Many websites today look visually stunning, with modern layouts, high-quality images, and polished content. But even with all that, they often struggle to keep visitors engaged. Why? Because they lack something deeper, that human touch. The emotional connection that turns interest into action. Let's take a real example, diarablue.com. The site is beautifully designed, clean, elegant, professional. But as you scroll, something feels missing, that spark of life. Now check out their Instagram. It's a completely different experience. Vibrant, real, full of moments, customers, and personality. It's engaging, it's alive. So why let all that energy stay locked away on social media? Ready to boost your conversion rate in just 1 minute? Go to Fouita.com, open the widgets page, and select Instagram feed. Choose a template and click Use this template. Connect your feed using a username, business profile, or hashtag. Customize it to match your brand. Then click Create Widget. Copy the code, go to your website, and add a custom HTML block. Paste the code, click Save, and just like that, your Instagram feed is live. From the moment it goes live, you'll notice the change. Higher engagement, a stronger brand presence, more conversions. Try it now at Fouita.com.